the green leaf shade for his mate when he has her welcome made. Love lets me not rest in quiet here. Oh, wills I sing, or will I, or no, for her who has held me in prison so long that I scarcely know if I may, should I escape, still living, oh, the day, and never more return into her dwelling. And with heart severe, as she whom to love I am dismayed, held my heart so long in empty glade that my eyes from it have turned all blear. Every man who in love abandons so into high a place knows by reason low what anguish is his and what I'll away. Suffers who loves what falls not his way. If mercy forces not noble blood's compelling. Of new joy I followed the slave's career, till I came unto her high roof's shade, where she showed me such great pride displayed, as though she held the whole world's key and sphere. Of the coven she made contention so, as if she said, and is there naughty no? Though if with courtly thought and glad and gay I can give you joy and dismay, and make you pleasure of your own harmings telling. In heavy torment I live and steer, and nothing comes to me of what I prayed, nor from that which pays me find I aid, unless to fair desire I go for cheer, to seek protection against the lioness so, who trusts so much in her own fashion low, that what she will she makes, and I make straightway, and I find her ever in worse state, the more I serve her with frank heart swelling. With such an omen I entered ship the pier, the day my eyes showed me to my sorrow way the false creature from which I am dismayed. For I die of love and yet I praise it here, never was man so wretched. Oh, for others are not mine nor mine, I know. And since I know, then know myself I may have not, though may she know she shall always not have me more, who wanted not my kneeling. To my friend Taurus whom draw near, worth and valor in all his doings clear. Song, take your first voyage, swift and